Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Fifine Amplagame Q6. Just look at this design. The sleek black finish, vibrant RGB lighting, and that awesome smiley face on the pop filter immediately catch the eye. Taking it out of the box, we get the microphone itself, pre-attached to a sturdy desk stand, and a custom shock mount to reduce vibrations. It's a wired USB condenser microphone, meaning setup is incredibly simple. Just plug and play with its standard 5-volt power source. It feels surprisingly solid, especially considering how affordable it is. But let's talk specs. The Q6 delivers a full 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response, capturing both deep lows and crisp highs. It supports impressive sample rates all the way up to 192 kHz for studio-quality audio. Plus, with a max SPL of 100.4 decibels, it handles loud gaming moments easily without any distortion. Whether you're starting out in streaming, gaming, or podcasting, this mic packs a serious punch for the price. Drop a like and let me know in the comments if you want a full audio test.